bit update. This one's a little bit short, just, you know, same usual deal. The only difference, you see that's not, I don't know, it's the shattered version. And Vespers Rising, just waiting for it to load. Okay, so the difference is, come on, there we go. So I have all the clues, and there's mission 10, and does it make sure or something? Status complete. So yeah, on my profile, I am now in Madrigal. You're in Madrigal Metals, which is Icat, Lucian, Thomas, Janus, and Madrigal. Here are new designs for the agent card, and the agent network, and the newest acquisitions. This is me, number 1. So yeah, that's basically it, and yeah, just the color, and yeah, basically that. All the clues and stuff. Thanks. See you later.